Hey guys, Choppers Real One here. Well, check this out. I got the chassis in, and look at that. It's bloody level. I did something right, boys and girls. It's level. It's all bolted down too. Oh yeah, I bolted down Wile E. Coyote. He's now bolted in, and the full tilt works all the way forwards. There's my Esky. There you go. Look at that. Bolted down there. Bolted down inside there, so that sucker ain't going anywhere. All the rear end's all bolted down. I straightened it up. It's all level. It's all true. I did a rear wheel alignment. I did a front wheel alignment. I did a caster on the front. I mean, I can't really do the wheel alignment just yet, but what I did is I've done a caster on the front so it leans in a little bit. Hang on a second, we'll get it around the right way. There we go. So see how she leans in a little bit now? And this one leans in too, so she's all good. Now the reason why I got it leaning in is because when I weld it, it's going to move. So it's easy for me to adjust it out than what it is to adjust it back in again. So it's coming along. It's still a slow, painful process. If you can tell by my voice, I have a bloody cold. So that's not making me very happy at all. I still need to find a steering wheel for in there. So if anybody's got anything I can use for steering wheel and I want to donate it to the cause, man, send me an email or anything like that, and I will gratefully receive a gift and put it on there and give you one hell of a shout out. I don't think I'm going to get mudguards on it or fenders as you guys. Come on, focus. Fenders as you guys overseas see. But we'll see. I like running it out with the front mud guards on it. I mean, I like running without guards. I look for it. It's pretty cool anyway. But this year it'll just be the way it is. I'm going to put some black vinyl over the roof so you can't see those screws. So that'll hide all that. I have decided on a colour. I have a colour sample here. So I have decided on a colour. And there it is. Dark blue. So yeah, I will tidy up all these welds and shit. This is just a mock-up for the time, just to get it all straightened up. What I'm going to do as well is I'm going to put a bumper bar on here. So I'll have a wooden bumper bar on there with a number plate on it. So this will all be hidden with a bit of timber. I was going to cut it off. I was going to cut it off there and join all this back up. But I think that I can use it as a tie down for the back of my ute and our truck. So I'll run it the way it is for a time being. I might change it later on. I don't know. But yeah, we'll see how we go. All right, guys, I'm going to go back inside and take something with a sore throat and a sniffy nose, and hopefully I can get more than 2 hours sleep tonight. That's what I've been living on for the last week. It's just 2 hours worth of sleep, and I'm still driving my truck every day. But anyway, we'll see how we go. All right, guys. I've even turned the big fan off over there in the chopper cave. Still got my car. I've got a few more cars for the collection. Got two unique ones right there. They're two the same car, different bloody cards. So this one here was a big question. Didn't even know I had it. But anyway, it's all good. I got with all the cars there and all the cars there and that box over there full. I got close to 700 cars. So it's not much, but it's all right. All right, guys, it's been a bit of a long video. I'll get off this thing. And stay safe, play safe, and have fun. Bye, guys.